Well, it's been a while since I've done a video, so I figured I'll do a video of this. It's a 2002 Mitsubishi Lancer. Came in with starting difficulties. Seemed like a bad battery, but it isn't. And the starter motor's overamping like a bitch. It's probably seized. Let's see if I can start it and then put a new starter motor in it. Yeah, it starts. When it's hot, it's worse. I've disconnected the distributor so you can hear what the starter motor actually sounds like. That's all it can really do, even with a jumper battery on it. Well, let's see if we can make that better. Well, the starter motor's down there. You can just see the nose of the solenoid, you see? Like if I get my finger and point, there it is. So, yes, have to get to that from underneath and the bolts from up the top. Well, here it is. Don't look so old, it's the original one, 10 years old, or 11 now. Still spins, one-way clutch works that way. The whole motor spins. It's probably poling or shorted internally. So, I'll pop the new one in and see what happens. Oh, well, here's the new starter. It's a lot lighter, like everything these days. Nice and heavy. This one's made in Japan, that one's made in China. So, you can see that they're not exactly the same offset to where they line up to the gears, to the solenoid, but should still fit. Okay. Well, here's another new starter motor. The other one was a little bit not correct. It went in but didn't quite bolt up right, so I had to drive all the way back, swap it and get, and drive back again. Well, there's the starter in up there. So, there's the exhaust, there's the drive shaft, there's the starter. Zach's come to supervise. Well, let's see if this thing will crank or make bad noises or what. It can actually crank now. Now let's see if it'll start and if the starter disengages. No, but the starter's still spinning. Damn. Well, this new starter's not disengaging. It's still spinning on the overrun clutch when the engine's running. That's a bit of a shit.